So this is the second part of what to do when the user input equals new. So blocked under if user input double equals new, we have gathered their message. Remember that their username was already collected on line 6, and we're adding a post to the all posts archive. Actually, we never created an instance of a new post yet, right? So we've first got to create an instance of a new post. So create an instance of a new post. To create an instance of a new post, I'm going to create a new variable called post that will store our post object. I'm going to pass in the username, which is stored as the variable username from line 6, and I'm going to pass in, the variable message, which is storing their message from line 25. So that creates a new post object, and then we have to add, the directions tell us to add the post to the all post archive list. So we're going to use the append method to do that. So we name the list, then we do dot append, and then the argument we give it is the message that we want, or the object we want to append, and that is our post object. We're appending our post object to the all post archive list. Let's go ahead and test it out. Two times. Quit to get out of the loop. Let me see if I can print the list. See if I really did. I forgot my parentheses. I'm trying to print the list to see if I was successful in appending. So I can see I have 3 objects, and it's pointing to the place in memory where the 3 objects are. So that is not helpful, other than knowing that I have 3 objects in my list, right? So let's go ahead and instead, let me test with a for loop for item in my list, which is called all posts archive, print item. All right, let's try again. Forgot my parentheses. Hello 1, new, hello 2. Oh, okay. So because I have it in the while loop, every time it's looping through, it's also printing the list. This is cool. So I think it's working. Hello 3. Yep, and it's for each post in the post archive it's printing. So I am successfully adding items to the list. So I can get rid of my code that I had in there for testing, and I can move on to handling if the user enters remove.